Are you over 50 and still eating the same breakfast every day without realizing it might be draining your energy? The truth is, the right foods in the morning can boost your heart, sharpen your brain, and keep you active all day long. In this video, you'll discover 7 powerful breakfast foods that can truly support your health after 50, starting from the very first bite. What if a tiny spoonful could boost your energy for hours? Chia seeds may be small, but they are packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and protein. They help improve digestion, keep you full longer, and support heart health. For seniors, they're especially helpful in maintaining stable blood sugar levels and reducing inflammation. Add them to yogurt, milk, or make a simple chia pudding for a powerful start to your day. Feeling low on energy? You might be missing this one nutrient. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats, all essential for maintaining strong muscles, better sleep, and a healthy immune system. They also support heart health and brain function, which becomes even more important after 50. Sprinkle them over oatmeal or eat a small handful in the morning. Struggling with digestion? This fruit works like magic. Papaya contains a natural enzyme called papain, which helps break down food and improves digestion. It's also loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, helping boost immunity and keep your skin healthy. A bowl of fresh papaya in the morning can keep your stomach light and active all day. What if eating fat could actually protect your heart? Sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, and vitamin D, perfect for heart health and strong bones. They help reduce bad cholesterol and support brain function, making them a powerful breakfast option after 50. Try them on whole grain toast or with eggs for a protein-packed meal. Looking for a healthier alternative to regular wheat? Buckwheat is gluten-free and rich in fiber, protein, and antioxidants. It helps control blood sugar levels and supports heart health, making it ideal for seniors managing diabetes or cholesterol. Enjoy it as porridge or pancakes for a nourishing breakfast. Want stronger bones without relying only on dairy? Sesame seeds are loaded with calcium, iron, and healthy fats that support bone strength and overall vitality. They also help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Add them to your bread, smoothies, or sprinkle over meals. And the last one might surprise you. It's a fat that actually protects your heart. Avocados are full of healthy monounsaturated fats that help lower bad cholesterol while boosting good cholesterol. They also support brain health, keep you full longer, and provide steady energy throughout the day. Spread it on toast or blend it into a smoothie for a creamy, healthy breakfast. Taking care of your health after 50 doesn't have to be complicated. Small, consistent changes in your daily routine can boost your energy, support your heart, and help you feel stronger every day. Start simple, stay consistent, and your body will thank you. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Eat Right for more simple, healthy, and powerful tips. See you in the next video.